Now, today at least we have to finish conversions which are given in NCERT textbook regarding to preparation methods. So, take question number 1. Write the chemical equation for the following reaction. Ethanolic ammonia react with ethyl chloride. Nothing but this is called ammonolysis of alkyl halides. Ammonolysis of alkyl halides. When react with ammonia, I think you remember when ethyl chloride react with ammonia, we get primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, quaternary amine. Suppose if we take excess of ammonia, we get only primary amine. Now देख लीजिए, react with ammonia. First primary amine, again one more molecule of ethyl chloride. Secondary amine, अच्छा one more molecule of ethyl chloride. Tertiary amine, like one more molecule of ethyl chloride, quaternary ammonium salts. Quaternary ammonium salts. Quaternary ammonium salts. So primary amine, देखो ये primary amine है. NH is nothing but secondary amine. N is nothing but tertiary amine. Tertiary amine. Here H is not there because tertiary amine only N only, and here quaternary ammonium salts. Quaternary ammonium salts. But if you take excess of ammonia, the ultimate compound is primary amine. If you take excess of ammonia, the ultimate compound is primary amine. This is the first equation and note karo. NCERT में exercise questions है. Write the chemical equation for the following reaction. First, reaction of ethanolic ammonia with ethyl chloride. So ultimately, primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary ammonium salts are obtained. As a similar kind of application is given, ammonolysis of benzyl chloride under reaction of amine, the formed with 2 moles of methyl chloride. So we can go for second one, mostly similar manner only, right? It's first already we discussed the previous preparation methods of ammonia. Amines. So different names, IUPAC name. This is like quaternary salts, tertiary. अच्छा ये गलत है, ये गलत है. ये हाइड्रोजन नहीं. Tertiary amine में valency 3 on, 1 lone pair is there, right? Now this benzyl chloride, na? This benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride. अच्छा react with ammonia is removal of HCl. You remove one HCl. Benzylamine, this is benzylamine. Benzyl chloride converted into benzylamine. Benzylamine. Then ammonolysis. Take 2 moles. अच्छा 1 mole of methyl chloride instead of hydrogen methyl. 2 moles means instead of 2 hydrogens. मतलब here instead of 2 hydrogen 2 methyl groups are there. अच्छा what is the IUPAC name of this compound? Tertiary amine, N-amine dimethyl benzylamine. This is benzylamine. In benzylamine में instead of 2 hydrogen 2 methyl groups are there. N-amine dimethyl benzylamine. It's nothing but ammonolysis only. A reaction with ammonia followed by number of moles of methyl chloride. Just like previous example, only this application of the previous one only. So these are NCERT based questions which are given exercise conversions only. Right? Chalo. Achha, how to convert this into this? Ethyl chloride into ethylamine. Ethyl chloride into ethylamine. Ethyl chloride into second one. Benzyl chloride into benzylamine. Benzyl chloride into benzylamine. Like ethanolic case here, because we know sinase and reduction. Sinase and reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, we get CH2NH. We get a primary amine. Whereas isocyanate gives a secondary amine. Cyanase gives a primary amine, isocyanate gives a secondary amine only. Chalo. So that means first we are converted to cyanide, then amines only. Previous class also we discussed the same. First cyanides हैं, cyanides convert into amines. Cyanide convert, in case of isocyanide secondary amine, cyanide is primary amine. Same number of carbon atom, same number of carbon atom, right? So this first conversion is over. देखो first conversion is over. First conversion is over. Second conversion also same manner only na, application only, that's it. Here also first Cl and Cn का మార్చుకోవాలి, Cn convert into NH2 మార్చుకోవాలి. Same method more or less. Alkalic NaOH కానీ KOH NaCN కానీ KCN కానీ యూజ్ చేస్తాం మనం. Same conversion, note करो. Same KCN కానీ NaCN కానీ తీసుకుంటాం. Like cyanide వస్తుంది. Cyanide ని రిడక్షన్ చేస్తే primary amine వస్తుంది. Primary amine వస్తుంది, right? अच्छा, the amines which gives propanamines 3 carbon amine కదా. अच्छा మనకి propanamine 3 carbon amine కావాలి, 3 carbon amine. अच्छा మనకి హాఫ్ మినిట్ డిగ్రేడేషన్ లో 3 carbon amine రావాలంటే 4 carbon amine తీసుకోవాలి. 1 carbon less డిగ్రేడేషన్ రియాక్షన్ అంటాం, 1 carbon less అంటాం. సో మనకి propanamine రావాలి అంటే 4 carbon amine తీసుకోవాలి. 4 carbon amine is butanamine. देखो ये 4 carbon amide है, 4 carbon amide है, which containing 4 carbon. Amide degradation 1 carbon less అంటాం, 1 carbon less అంటాం. So 1 carbon less అయితే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి ఇక్కడ Br2 NaOH mechanism also we discussed. We get CH3 CH2 CH2 and H2, 3 carbon. This is one. अच्छा 7 కార్బన్ అంటే మనకి ఎనిలిన్ రావాలి. ఎనిలిన్ రావాలంటే 6 కార్బన్ అమైన్ రావాలి. 6 కార్బన్ అమైన్ రావాలంటే 7 కార్బన్ అమైడ్ తీసుకోవాలి. 7 కార్బన్ అమైడ్ తీసుకోవాలంటే బెంజనమైడ్ తీసుకోవాలి. अच्छा we'll get this one, we'll take a benzenamide only. C double bond NH2 benzenamide తీసుకోవాలి. బెంజనమైడ్ లో 7 కార్బన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, మనకి 6 కార్బన్ రావాలంటే 7 కార్బన్ తీసుకోవాలి. హార్మోన్ డిగ్రేడేషన్ రియాక్షన్ లో మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ is degradation reaction, 1 carbon less one. So these two are also similar applications. अच्छा, physical properties first I will finish physical properties, then tomorrow we will discuss chemical properties. अच्छा, generally lower aliphatic amines are gases one, but not only amines are in any organic compound है, lower members are gases है, moderate middle members are liquids है, high molecular weight compounds are solids only. Any organic compound same procedure physical properties. Like here also aliphatic amines are gases with a fishy odor only. Fishy, aniline is fishy, because while smelling the compound also we can identify the organic compound in qualitative analysis only. अच्छा देखो primary carbons है, primary amines with the 3 or more carbon atoms are liquids है, still higher compounds are solids only. Generally aniline, these are all, but these are primary amines है. Primary amines 3 to more than 3 carbon atoms are liquids है. अच्छा lower members, very low members are gas only. For example methylamine is gas है, ethylamine is gas है, remaining are liquids है, higher members are solids है. These are physical properties of this one. अच्छा aniline is a base only, so aniline and other aryl amines are usually colorless, but get colored on storage due to atmospheric oxidation. The aniline oxidation gives a benzoquinone form అవుతుంది. Benzoquinone form అవడం వల్ల కలర్ కాంపౌండ్స్ వస్తుంది. Later we discuss chemical properties. अच्छा lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water because of hydrogen bonding. Suppose methylamine में hydrogen bonding है, ethylamine में hydrogen bonding है. If bulky groups increases, plus I group increases, means these are solvent repelling groups, solvent hating groups. There is no hydrogen bonding. So why lower members are soluble in water? Because of hydrogen bonding is present there. So solubility decreases with increase in molecular weight, increase in number of alkyl groups also. Because hydrophobic alkyl body is hydrophobic, solvent hating है, solvent repelling है. अच्छा మీకు hydrogen bonding sequence కావాలంటే primary amines are more hydrogen bonding then secondary amines. Suppose they're asking the simple question है hydrogen bonding they asking question है primary amines are having more hydrogen bonding है then secondary amines है because steric endurance है hydrogen steric endurance है tertiary amines में almost absent hydrogen bonding है जैसे gaseous state में we know tertiary amines are more basic than secondary amine than primary amine because of this reason only. अच्छा intramolecular association means intramolecular hydrogen bonding only. Primary amines secondary amines and there are 2 hydrogen atoms are available but tertiary amines में hydrogen नहीं है so there is no chance of hydrogen bonding. अच्छा between butanol 1 and butanol 1 amine butanol 1 and butanol 1 amine which is more soluble in water why is nothing but due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding है अच्छा among these two alcohols and amines which are more polar alcohol which is more En value oxygen अच्छा when compared to nitrogen of course if fluorine is given fluorine is more En value more polar so alcohols are more polar than amines so stronger hydrogen bonding is possible in case of alcohol when compared to amines so alcohols are more soluble similar molecular weight compound that's why you can see here number of carbons are taken same the number of carbon atoms are 4 है here also 4 है you always compare with the same number of carbon atoms don't go for here butanol 1 no here ethanamine if you compare that ethanamine is more stronger hydrogen bonding so whenever in examination also they will ask the question is similar number of carbon atoms अच्छा tertiary amines don't have intermolecular अच्छा suppose నేను tertiary amine తీసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి ఇలా tertiary amine తీసుకున్నాను R3N अच्छा between two tertiary amine there is no chance of hydrogen bonding because there is no hydrogen is there so there is N and the repulsions are this is not hydrogen bonding but in case of secondary amine is possibility there NH अच्छा देखो here also NHR is possibility there hydrogen bonding का possibility there primary amine में possibility in association के लिए secondary amine tertiary amine there is no possibility only right देखो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग का बिटवीन द टू प्राइमरी एमिन्स में बीच में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है बिटवीन द टू प्राइमरी एमिन्स में बीच में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग ये प्राइमरी एमिन के साथ है देयर इज नो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इन सेकेंडरी एमिन्स सॉरी टेरिशियरी एमिन्स ये प्राइमरी एमिन के बीच में association between the molecule association possibility there अच्छा explain why ethyl amine is more soluble in water whereas aniline is not soluble aniline is more soluble in base HCl only the reason is hydrogen bonding only अच्छा bulky group phenyl group is a bulky group when compared to alkyl amine ethyl amine only so hydrogen bonding is more in case of ethyl amine when compared to this one only so in aniline due to bulky group bulky hydrocarbon part the extent of hydrogen bonding is less hence it is not soluble in water so mostly aniline is soluble in HCl only sometimes in practical organic chemistry also they will ask the question only generally aniline is soluble in HCl only for a information anilinium salts are formed aniliniums when aniline is soluble in HCl I think chemical properties we are going to discuss anilinium salts are formed anilinium salts are formed like this one but it is insoluble in water only because of absence of hydrogen bonding chemical properties of the nitrogen compound chemical properties of the nitrogen compound like previous class we discussed the preparation methods and the physical properties of the nitrogen compound now chemical properties also this is purely based on NCERT syllabus only देखो NCR like NCERT syllabus amine salts are treated with the base like NaOH parent amine अच्छा कैसे देखो one second तो देखो केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में जनरली amines are soluble in, amine is a base, no doubt at all. We can discuss one basic character also. Amines are base. When react with acids, अच्छा, anilinium salts are formed. Anilinium salts are formed. NH3 plus and Cl minus. Because whenever organic compound containing nitrogen and oxygen, now this is which medium? This is acidic medium. Acidic medium is H plus. Nitrogen gave the electrons to H plus and make NH3 plus only, Cl minus. This is salt. So what they said, this original compound is regenerated when adding base like NaOH. And base like NaOH, now remove of water molecule and remove of NaCl, and then original compound is obtained NH2. So this is a question. This is a topic we are going to discuss only. Generally, amines are base, which are soluble in acids. Corresponding salts are formed. For your kind of information, in this corresponding salt, the covalency of nitrogen is 4. Covalency of nitrogen is 4. Actually, the covalency of nitrogen is 3 only, common valency. But here it is a 4 only because of this reason only. Right? Sure. It's a basic character of amines. We already discussed the basic nature of amines one particular video. So amines, aliphatic amines, aromatic amines, like Argo effect we discussed. Anyhow, amines react with acid to form a salt. Why amines react with acid? Because amines are base only. Corresponding salts are formed, like corresponding salts are formed. So whenever equilibrium you write, then you can write equilibrium constant only. Like similarly, aniline also, when react with acid, corresponding oxonium salts are formed, corresponding anilinium salts are formed. Anilinium salts, whatever may be these salts, nitrogen covalency 4 only. Because basic nature of amines, it react with acids only. HCl is an acid, HBr in acid, HA is also acid. So corresponding salts are formed. Here, remember that in anilinium chloride, the covalency of nitrogen is 4 only. Now, anilinium salts से aniline कैसा आता है? How will you get aniline from anilinium salts? In the presence of base only, because which can abstract the proton. Or then removal of water. The X minus is eliminated. RNH2 again regenerated. Like regeneration. अच्छा यहाँ से प्रोटॉन को attracts करेगा water molecule X minus good leaving group है, then we get original compound RNH2. अच्छा amines have lone pair of electron, unshared pair of electron, nothing but lone pair of electron. Just because of lone pair, according to Lewis, what is the base? According to Lewis, what is the base? Any atom having capable of donating a pair of electrons, nothing but Lewis base only. That's why it is a base only. That's why it is a base only. Acha, now you can see. Acha, now you can apply equilibrium constant for this equilibrium constant, because whenever equilibrium you write equilibrium constant, because Arrhenius theory we can discuss it. Kb value increases, and Kb value increases, basic strength increases, basic nature increases, pKb value decreases, again basic strength increases only. Acha, based on this we discussed one video also, like basic character of amines. Secondary amines are more basic than tertiary than primary, except methylamine. Methylamine may secondary, primary, tertiary. We discussed one particular video. If you have any doubt, you can check that video. Basic character. Larger the value of Kb, smaller the value of pKb, stronger is the base. Actually, we discussed one video also based on this. Now देखो, arrange the following increasing order of their basic strength है. अच्छा, you remember basic strength in aqueous solution में, basic strength in aqueous solution में, basic strength in aqueous solution में, देखो, we are going to discuss basic strength of this compound. Right, one by one, or otherwise you can discuss one by one basic strength. देखो, basic strength of this compounds. For your kind of information, we know secondary amines are more basic than tertiary, then primary, then ammonia, then aniline. We made particular one video based on basic strength of amines also. अच्छा देखो, यहाँ in above given this is a primary amine, this is aniline, this is aniline. अच्छा देखो, ये भी प्राइमरी अमाइन है. अच्छा, ये सेकेंडरी अमाइन. अच्छा, सबसे ज्यादा सेकेंडरी मींस C2H5 taken twice NH is more basic है. Like इसके बाद एलिफेटिक अमाइन्स आर मोर बेसिक है, like C2H5NH2. And these two are aromatic amines. We discussed also. This also discussed in that video, particular video. This is aniline, this is aniline, and this is benzyl. Now, ये lone pair of electrons are available for donation, but lone pair of electrons are not available for donation, but involving delocalization. This is the least. अच्छा, numbering, suppose numbering is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is given. अच्छा, सबसे ज्यादा 5 है, then 1 है, then ammonia is more basic than aromatic amines है, then 3 है, then 4 है, least is 2. अच्छा, don't worry, you have any doubt, you can watch our video basic nature of the amines. We made one particular video there, the same applications are. अच्छा, these are which are given in NCERT textbook है, exercise questions है, which are the following is more basic है, right? चलो, देखो सेकंड में क्या है, सेकंड में ये प्राइमरी है, ये सेकेंडरी ना, ये टेरिशरी ना, ये एरोमेटिक. अच्छा, नंबरिंग इज गिवन 1, 2, 3, 4. For except methylamine, we know secondary amines are more than tertiary, then primary, and the least is aromatic amines. Least is aromatic amines. Same है. The video what we discussed है, what the same applications are given in NCERT textbook. That's why general organic chemistry is most important while studying the organic chemistry. If you know general organic chemistry, this is nothing only. That what today what we are going to discuss, any chapter organic chemistry, the basic from GOC. If you know GOC, this is a very simple thing. So next third. In case of methylamine, we said the order is different. In case of methylamine, secondary is greater than. In case of methylamine, secondary and primary tertiary. Anyhow, aniline is the least one. This also we discussed in case of methylamine also. Now देखो, this is primary, this is secondary, देखो this is tertiary. अच्छा, these two, I think we know this is a more basic character aromatic amines में, because of lone pair electron involved for availability of pair of electron for donation, but here pair of electrons involved in delocalization. So these are applications what we made a video. Once again, you check the video basic nature of the organic compounds, right? अच्छा देखो, explanation है, देखो. अच्छा, करना secondary amines are more basic है, then primary ना, then aromatic है, ammonia, this aliphatic amines. But availability is more here. Lone pair of electrons availability more here. Availability is more. and this group is said to be plus I group they consider. As a second example आप देख लीजिए, secondary, ये secondary, tertiary, primary, secondary, tertiary, primary, aniline है. यहाँ भी देखो इनके सब methylamine secondary, primary, tertiary. अच्छा, aromatic में these two are comparison, right? Which are given NCERT textbook discuss the same thing. अच्छा, order of basic strength of aniline है, we know plus this is here. Whenever paranitro means is a minus M group. Toluidine ante CH3 group है. Toluidine is nothing but CH3 group है. Toluidine is nothing but CH2 group है. CH2 is a hyperconjugation. Plus M effect का hyperconjugation आणि basic character increases है. Minus M effect basic character decreases है. So order of basic character. Again, once again, we discussed so many examples in this video. Basic nature of the amines. Acha, complete the following acid-base reaction and name the products only. Acha, whatever may be the base, this is a base. Base react with acid. Corresponding salt is formed. Corresponding salt is called means salt NH3 plus है. देखो NH3 plus है. N-propanamine IUPAC है. Lone pair of electron donating to H plus because this is Lewis base है. Organic compound, in organic compound, particularly nitrogen oxygen having easily can donate a pair of electrons to the H plus one. Protonation is easily possibility over here. देखो protonation is easily possibility over here. So corresponding salts are formed. Corresponding salt is formed. Corresponding salt is formed. A plus आप देख लीजिए plus. Nitrogen give the electron, that's why positive. Nitrogen give the electron, that's why given positive charge. Right? Similarly, here also tertiary imine also base only. For primary, second, but relative strength is different, but it is a base only, which can donate a pair of electron once again, pair of electrons to hydrogen. And again, similar compound, corresponding salt is formed. Acha, triethyl ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is NH4Cl. In NH4Cl, one hydrogen replaced by this group. Suppose ammonium salts है. देखो, why these names are given? Ammonium salts like this, na? Ammonium salts है. अच्छा, instead of one hydrogen, yeah, out of 4 है, 3 I will write. Instead of hydrogen, this group is replaced. So N-propyl ammonium chloride. अच्छा, देखो here also NH4Cl है. Instead of one hydrogen, this is a triethyl ammonium chloride. Name is very easy to identify, but don't bother about the name of the reaction. But what are given NCERT textbook? What are the conversions? You need to practice it. That's it. The only thing is you have to write donation of pair of electron donated to H plus only. This is a basic character. Amine shows basic character order only. Achha, we said whenever alkyl acids are added to the primary amine, we get secondary amine, we get tertiary amine, we get quaternary ammonium also. Achha, here mechanisms are not required. Directly we can directly have to write. अच्छा देखो aniline means ये वाला C6H5NH2. I will write like this. Methyl iodide. अच्छा ये एक methyl iodide क्या है? Removal of HI. एक methyl iodide. Mechanism I am not going for. Like donation of pair of electron I am not writing. Directly secondary amines are formed. This is secondary amines are formed. Now excess of HI react with excess of HI. Sorry, excess of methyl iodide. Actually, one removal of one more HI. Because it is a more basic character. NCH3CH3. Actually, tertiary amine is formed. Tertiary amine. Actually, addition of one more HI. Sorry, addition of one more methyl iodide. Now there is a chance for removal of hydrogen. Because there is no hydrogen there. So quaternary salts are formed. Kaisa? C6H5 N C3 taken 3 times plus I minus. This is just like a NH4 plus I minus, quaternary salts, quaternary ammonium salts. अच्छा, instead of four hydrogen, one hydrogen replaced by phenyl, remaining 3 hydrogen replaced by methyl. This is nothing, just like quaternary ammonium salts are like this one. This already previously we discussed in ammonolysis of the amines only, ammonia, primary amine, secondary, tertiary, quaternary, mixture of all amines are formed only. So this is the question is given. Write the equations of the final alkylation product of the aniline with excess of methyl iodide. We get excess of methyl iodide, we get aniline forms quaternary ammonium salts also. A mixture of secondary, tertiary, quaternary, right? Chalo. Acha, mechanism not required. Don't confuse the mechanism by writing mechanism. Lone pair electron can donate. N-methyl aniline iodide formed. Now either Na2CO3 or CO2 gas is liberated. Because here not given, Na2CO3 is not mentioned, but intermediate compound only they have written. I will get this again. This is secondary amine. We get secondary amine directly without mechanism, right? Same you have to follow. Secondary amine. Again, same procedure. You have to continue the same procedure. Tertiary amine and quaternary ammonium salts are formed. We will continue the same. अच्छा, aniline, methyl iodide. अच्छा, ये secondary amine की one more. अच्छा, primary amine right with this one, we get secondary amine. अच्छा, again tertiary amine. One more mechanism, tertiary amine. अच्छा, instead of writing all the steps, I wrote only one step. We get primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary also. Again, write with Na2CO3. We get quaternary salts. As a removal of CO2, then add one more of methyl iodide, like one more. Write the chemical reaction of aniline with the benzoyl chloride. Achha, very simple. Without writing mechanism also, just I can explain to you. Achha, aniline react with the benzoyl chloride. Achha, benzoyl chloride means C6H5 COCl. Achha, here removal of HCl. Instead of one hydrogen, we can replace the benzoyl grouping. Because Cl minus a positive होना चाहिए. This electrophilic substitution reaction only. Instead of H plus, then again we can replace this only. मतलब ये वाला हो गया एसिटानिलाइड है, बेंजोनिलाइड है, COC6H5. Benzoyl is formed. अच्छा देखो, बेंजोनिलाइड है. Benzoylate is formed. अच्छा, without writing mechanism directly how to write. Instead of one hydrogen, suppose instead of this one, suppose I go for acetyl chloride also. Acylation. This is benzylation. This is called benzylation. This is called acylation. Addition of acetyl chloride called acylation. In acylation also, what we get? Instead of one hydrogen, COCs, acetonilide. Acetonilide or benzonilide. अच्छा, mechanism also learn. చూద్దాం, ఇది ఇంటెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, అంటే ఎక్సైజ్ క్వశ్చన్ అయి ఉంటుంది NCERT లో. రైట్ ది కెమికల్ రియాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ aniline విత్ బెంజోయిల్ క్లోరైడ్. అచ్చా, అల్టిమేట్లీ సింపుల్ రిమెంబర్ ఏంటంటే ఒక హైడ్రోజన్ ప్లేస్ లో బెంజోయిల్ రిప్లేస్ చేయండి, ఒక హైడ్రోజన్ ప్లేస్ లో ఎస్ఐ గ్రూప్ రిప్లేస్ చేయండి. వి గెట్ దిస్ వన్. బట్ సీ ది మెకానిజం. देखो मैकेनिज्म क्या है. कार्बन ऑक्सीजन which is more electronegative, oxygen. कार्बन is इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी. मतलब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी आएंगे, प्लस चार्ज जाएंगे. Now you know, according to Lewis base, which can donate a pair of electrons to the electron deficient है. अच्छा, इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट है यहाँ, whenever electron donation है पॉजिटिव है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में यहां से H प्लस को रिमूव करना, बिकॉज व्हाट वी डिड इंस्टेड ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इट को रिप्लेस दैट्स इट. बट मैकेनिज्म कैसा, ये मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट में पॉजिटिव चार्ज अनस्टेबल है, सो H प्लस को बाहर निकालेंगे, H प्लस को बाहर जाएंगे, देन अगेन सेम कंपाउंड Cl माइनस आएंगे, Cl माइनस Cl బయటికి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి, Cl మైనస్ H ప్లస్, Cl మైనస్ అంటే ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ రావాలి కాబట్టి అగైన్ ఇది మళ్ళీ బయటకు వచ్చేస్తే C డబుల్ బాండ్ అవుతుంది. ఇవన్నీ మెకానిజం కన్నా సింపుల్ గా ఏం చెప్పాను నేను, ఒక హైడ్రోజన్ ప్లేస్ లో ఇదిగో ఈ గ్రూప్ రిప్లేస్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది సింపుల్ గా, వితౌట్ రైటింగ్ మెకానిజం. సింప్లీ వాట్ ఐ సెడ్ ఎనిలిన్ తీసుకొని we can go for benzyl chloride, బెంజైల్ కావచ్చు, ఎస్టైల్ కావచ్చు, ఏదైనా కావచ్చు, ఎస్టైల్ కావచ్చు. Instead of one hydrogen, you can replace this group. That is only na. Instead of one hydrogen, that group is replaceable. Acylation కావచ్చు, benzylation కావచ్చు, ఇది కావచ్చు. మెకానిజం అంటే సింపుల్ మెకానిజం. ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డెఫిషియన్సీ ఉంది కాబట్టి డొనేట్ చేసాం, ప్రోటాన్ HCl బయటికి రావాలి, Cl మైనస్ బయట రావాలంటే మళ్ళీ అగైన్ ఆక్సిజన్ ఇస్ డొనేటెడ్, C డబుల్ బాండ్ O రావాలి. దిస్ ఇస్ మెకానిజం. వితౌట్ మెకానిజం ఆల్సో డైరెక్ట్లీ రైట్. अच्छा, write the structures of different isomers corresponding to the molecular formula of. अच्छा, previous class we discussed C4H11N. Now this is C3H9N. For your kind information, these are I think 3-4 isomers are formed. 2 primary, 1 secondary, 1 tertiary. In previous isomerism chapter also we discussed. There are 4 isomers are formed. We can check one by one. 4 isomers are there. देखो, ये primary amine है. First compound is primary amine है. 3 carbon amine primary amine है. अच्छा, दी को पोजीशन है, दी को चेंज करो, पोजीशन है, दिस इज हियर पोजीशन ऑफ NH2 is 1 है, पोजीशन ऑफ NH2 is 1 है. We can change one thing है, NH2 पोजीशन चेंज करो, whenever NH2 प्राइमरी एमिनो नॉट सेकेंडरी एमिनो. नाउ पोजीशन ऑफ NH2 चेंज करो, अगर देखो पोजीशन ऑफ NH2 चेंज किया, these two are position isomers हो गया, नॉट चेन isomers है. Carbon chain 3 only, but position of amino group function will be changed. Position isomerism only. अच्छा, secondary amine लिखो, secondary amine NH है, NH is called secondary amine है. Tertiary लिखो, 3 methyl groups लिखो, 3 methyl groups लिखो. देखो ये tertiary होगा, 3 methyl groups से tertiary होगा. Total number of isomers कितना है? 4 है. अच्छा my dear friends, I am telling you, like NCERT, what are given exercise question, you have to practice thoroughly this coming 40 to 50 days. You can easily score maximum score in organic chemistry. So that's why I'm not going behind NCERT for particularly organic chemistry. What are given NCERT topic, that only I'm going to explain. Right. Other than this, don't practice it also. So here also some exercise questions are given, in-test questions are given, the number of isomers, how to write. This is enough for you. अच्छा, primary amines react with HNO2 to produce N2 gas. That is aliphatic only, not aromatic. Aliphatic, you can note करो, aliphatic primary amines है, aliphatic primary amines है, HNO2 है. अच्छा चलो देखो, अच्छा very simple है, ये very simple बनना है. अच्छा, मैंने HNO2 को कैसा लिखा, HONO ऐसा लिखा मैंने. ये काम करो, यहाँ OH लिखो, यहाँ N लिखो, यहाँ O लिखो. अल्कोहल प्राइमरी अल्कोहल बनेगा, N2 गैस लिबरेट हो गया. अच्छा, सिंपल थिंग है, देखो सिंपल थिंग देखो, अल्कोहल प्लस N2 प्लस H2. अच्छा, I am not going for mechanism. If you go for mechanism, that is different thing है, because this is a very simple thing है. mechanism क्या है, mechanism क्या है? अच्छा, mechanism not given, but whenever this medium is acidic medium only ना, HNO2 is acidic medium ना, acidic medium में क्या हुआ ना, hydrogen can donate a pair of electrons to H plus. The removal of NH3, just like water molecule removal of water, here removal of NH3 है, carbocation is formed है. अच्छा, this carbocation is unstable है, primary है, primary carbocation है. You go for secondary carbocation is 1 to hydrogen shift है. 1 to hydrogen shift है. So CH3C. अच्छा, what is given? This propanol is a minor compound only. The major compound यही आएंगे because aqueous solution में इसके साथ water भी है ना, water भी है ना. Then देखो, which can donate a pair of electrons to carbocation. And end of the reaction, chemical reaction, what happens? Oxygen gives the electron కాబట్టి positive. End of the reaction, catalyst means catalyst remains unchanged. H+ మళ్ళీ అలాగే తీసేయాలి, యాక్చుయేషన్ తీసేయాలి. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి ప్రొపనాల్ ఇచ్చారు కానీ మేజర్ కాంపౌండ్ వచ్చి 2 ప్రొపనాల్ అవుతుంది. బట్ వితౌట్ రైటింగ్ మెకానిజం ప్రొపనాల్ सीम्स टू बी प्रॉपनाल. बट ये एक्चुअली मेजर कंपाउंड क्या होना चाहिए? 2 प्रोपनाल होना चाहिए. नोट करो, मेक ए करेक्शन. मेजर कंपाउंड 2 प्रोपनाल होना चाहिए. अच्छा, माइनर कंपाउंड आल्सो फॉर्म बट मेजर कंपाउंड 2 प्रोपनाल. अच्छा, डोंट गो फॉर mechanism. Simple things are given. You can go for HO, NO. I think they will follow the same thing. Right? अच्छा, मोरल सेम है. देखो मोरल नोटेड चले को. अच्छा, मोरल सेम ओनली. देखो, अच्छा ये कोई यहाँ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. इनिशियली सेकेंडरी कार्बोकेटायन इज फॉर्म. There is no chance for tertiary carbocation. Directly water is added over it. The same 2 propanol is formed. 2 propanol is formed. Here also major compound 2 propanol. Because whenever carbocation there is chance for rearrangement. अच्छा, intermolecular association more in. Intermolecular means hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond is more in primary. Because secondary bulky group, tertiary is still bulky. Bulky group में interference is there. But if there is no bulky group, then primary amines are more association है because of hydrogen bonding only. Because of hydrogen bonding only. Now amines are acting like a Lewis base because which can donate a pair of electrons very easily. Lewis base है. Lewis base है. Amines are acting like a Lewis base. Which is not a property of aniline. It is a basic in nature, correct only because of lone pair of electron. It gives carbon element, yes, correct only. Later we discuss what are the properties of carbon element tester. It can react to alkyl halide, yes, methyl iodide to reaction Rasaman. Matlab all are above the all are it turns. Achha, which is not correct, sorry. Which is not correct on that. Base kada turns blue to red another acid, red to blue another base. It turns blue litmus to red and incorrect. It is not an acid, it is a base one. That to weak base means very difficult to turn it. So it turns blue litmus to red and incorrect because it is not acidic character, it is a basic character. Next. చెప్పుకున్నా మనం బేసిక్ కేర్ వన్ పర్టికులర్ we made one video. In case of acidic character, anion formed is more stable, more acidic. In case of basic character, cation formed is more stable, is more basic అని చెప్తున్నా. So aniline cation formed is more stable than more basic character అని చెప్తాను. Based on Kb value and Pkb values only, we have to tell the basic nature of amines. Acha, this is the Kb values. Already we discussed in one video. Then you can see that. Acha, this is the ammonia. Now among these two, which is the most stable? Most stable cation. Obviously, this is one. Because of plus I group increases, carbocation stability increases one. Tertiary carbocation, hyperconjugation also affected. Here methyl group is there, like ethyl group is there. So more stable. That's why secondary amines are tertiary gaseous state mein tertiary amines are more stable than secondary than primary. Number of alkyl groups increase, plus I group increases na. Plus I group increases, basic nature increases na. So basic strength of the amines directly proportional to stability of the cation form. Stability of the cation is maybe here. देखो because of plus I groups हैं. So in gaseous state లో చెప్పుకున్నాం మన వీడియోలో gaseous state లో tertiary కి because more alkyl groups are there. Alkyl అంటే electron releasing. So देखो tertiary में because tertiary में देखो tertiary में क्या होता है tertiary में suppose R3N R2NH RNH2. अच्छा, these alkyl groups are electron releasing. Already lone pair is there. Because of this, again electron is more tendency can to pair of electron. So more basic gaseous state. But in case of aqueous solution different. Due to hydrogen bonding only. This is a contradiction only. Contradiction but then you go for aqueous solution. But in case of aqueous solution, like in case of aqueous solution, matlab hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is more in primary amine due to solvation effect, nothing but hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is more in primary, secondary, tertiary amine only. Due to different factor है. Gaseous state में क्या है? Then what is solvation effect क्या है? Solvation effect में primary, secondary, tertiary. But ultimately what you see Kb values only. Kb values seen in what? In aqueous solution only. Based on Kb values only final. So this aqueous state. Aqueous state में we discussed secondary greater than tertiary greater than primary, then ammonia, etc. These except methylamine. In case of methylamine, secondary, tertiary, primary, tertiary. देखो, so methylamine is different and secondary amines are different. ये secondary है. अच्छा, ये secondary है, ये tertiary है, ये primary है. But in case of methylamine में secondary है, ये primary है, tertiary. Already we discussed this concept, sir. Basic nature. So except methylamine, remaining all amines for above are correct, but methylamine this is only correct one. अच्छा, aromatic amines are less basic than ammonia, na? Because aryl ring is -I group है. Because of -I group, इतना से electron and hydrogen है. Tendency convert a pair of electron decreases only. So that's why basic nature decreases only. We said one statement है. Aromatic amines are less basic than aliphatic amines. But contradiction है. Aromatic acids are more acidic than aliphatic acid. Amines is aromatic less, acid is aromatic more because of -I effect. देखो, these are resonance structures only. Resonance structure because in aromatic amine lone pair is not involved, not ready for donation because lone pair of electron involved in delocalization. Whenever this pair of electron involved in delocalization, there is electron for donation. There is no chance for donation. That's why less basic character. Even ammonia is a less basic character. Ammonia. So here 5 resonance structures are possible. You can check the 5 resonance structures. We all have discussed plus M group. The plus M group example I will. Because of this plus M group, see, electron is increased in ortho position, para position, ortho position. So this is ortho paradiatic group అని చెప్తాం. Plus M group అని చెప్తాం. ఈ గ్రూప్ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ EAS reactivity పెరుగుతుంది. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం ఆల్రెడీ. But so why it is less basic character? Because lone pair of electrons involved in delocalization. Stability directly proportional to number of resonance structures. So aniline is more stable than anilinium ion. Anilinium ion లో resonance structure ఉండదు మరి. ఎందుకంటే NH3+ కదా, అక్కడే bonds 5 అయిపోయినాయి, 4 bonds అయిపోయినాయి. Maximum 4 bonds కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండదు మరి. So anilinium ion no resonance है. देखो, in case of substitute aniline, electron releasing groups like, अच्छा we discussed at this point, अच्छा once again sorry, we discussed in the points like what point I discussed in the video. Plus I plus M increases, basic nature increases, अच्छा this is one. Like hyperconjugation गानी plus I गानी increase అయితే basic అయితే పెరుగుతుందని. अच्छा EVNT -I गानी -M गानी పెరిగితే basic nature decreases. The same point is given in the word in sentence form. अच्छा we discussed this one particular video also. So if still you have any doubt, you can watch this video once again 2 times 3 times because basic nature is very important. In Lynch chapter they may ask the basic character also. The entire basic character we studied one particular video. We can go for, we can check it once again. अच्छा, ఎమైన్స్ అండర్గోస్ ఆల్కలేషన్. అచ్చా, ఇప్పుడే చెప్పుకున్నాం మిథైల్ అయోడైడ్ కానీ ఇథైల్ అయోడైడ్ కానీ ఆల్కలేషన్. సరే, ఆల్కలేషన్ అంటే మనకి లైక్ ఈఏఎస్ రియాక్షన్, electrophilic substitution reaction, but Friedel-Crafts reaction is very difficult in case of aniline. I think one chapter substitution reaction also, one video I discussed that Friedel-Crafts reaction is very difficult for in case of aniline or more minus M group. So reason. Acha, why aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction? Acha, dekho why the reason is a deactivating group है. पर देखो एनिलीन है in the presence of AlCl3 है, लोन पेयर है, इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी है, इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट कंपाउंड ऑफ लुईस एसिड है. अच्छा, नाइट्रोजन गिव द इलेक्ट्रॉन है. अच्छा, NH3 प्लस हो गया, whenever NH3 प्लस से डीएक्टिवेटिंग ग्रुप हो गया, ये डीएक्टिवेटिंग ग्रुप हो गया. देखो स्ट्रांग डीएक्टिवेटिंग ग्रुप हो गया. डीएक्टिवेटिंग ग्रुप से देन there is no equation Friedel-Crafts reaction. अच्छा, ఒక ఎనిలిన్ లోనే ఇలాంటి ఈక్వేషన్ జరుగుతుంది. రిమైనింగ్ ఆర్ మైనస్ M గ్రూప్, వేరెవర్ మైనస్ M గ్రూప్ లైక్ బెంజాల్డైడ్ గాని, బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్ గాని, సైనోబెంజిన్ గాని, నైట్రోబెంజిన్ గాని, there is no Friedel-Crafts reaction. Already I discussed one video in substitution reactions. You can go and check it. अच्छा, in case of CHO, in case of COH, in case of NO2, in case of CN, there is no Friedel-Crafts reaction. Electron withdrawing group, which can withdraw the electrons, very difficult. This ring is self deactivate हो गया. Once ring deactivated, there is no reaction. So deactivating होता है. अच्छा, देखो ये वाला कार्बोकैटायन, this is NH2 plus हो गया, हाइड्रोजन पॉजिटिव हो गया, so deactivate हो गया. Deactivate means further no reaction takes place. So Friedel-Crafts reaction not possible in case of aniline. अच्छा, already one video I discussed that Friedel-Crafts reaction, particularly substitution reaction, EAS reaction. Once you go and check it, EAS reactions. Acylation है. अच्छा, acylation. Here some देखो, here some important thing is, अच्छा, this reaction is carried out in the presence of a base stronger than aniline, like pyridine, which removes HCl. So it forms. देखो, I will tell you later one equation है. देखो aniline है. अच्छा, not only this one. अच्छा, previous also example, this is an example given है. अच्छा, protein ఇక్కడ చూడండి. अच्छा, ये वाला ये माइनस हो गया, ये प्लस हो गया. ఎక్కడ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డెఫిషియన్సీ ఉంది అక్కడ అటాక్ అవుతుంది కదా. ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డెఫిషియన్సీ చూడండి. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ చూడండి, ఇన్ ది బేస్ ఆఫ్ బేస్, స్ట్రాంగ్ బేస్. ఇక్కడ ఎసిఎల్ రిమూవ్ చేయాలంటే పిరిడిన్ కానీ స్ట్రాంగ్ బేస్ యూజ్ చేయమంటున్నారు. అది వాళ్ళు చెప్తుంది. ఇక్కడ స్ట్రాంగ్ బేస్ యూజ్ చేయమంటున్నారు. ఇక్కడ స్ట్రాంగ్ బేస్ అంటే C5H5 అని పిరిడిన్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. పిరిడిన్ విచ్ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ HCl గ్యాస్. ఇక్కడ స్ట్రాంగ్ బేస్ యూజ్ చేస్తే పిరిడిన్ మనకి ఇక్కడ చూడండి నైట్రోజన్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఇచ్చింది కాబట్టి పాజిటివ్ అని. ఇప్పుడు HCl రిమూవ్ చేయాలంటే Cl మైనస్ బయటకు వెళ్ళిపోవాలి కదా. Cl మైనస్ అంటే ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ రావాలి, అంటే ఈ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేయాలి. హైడ్రోజన్ బయటకు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కాబట్టి పాజిటివ్ ఛార్జ్ పోతుంది దీని మీద. అంటే ఏం రావాలి మనకి, C2H5 NH C11C3. అచ్చి ఈ మెకానిజం రాసే బదులు సింపుల్ గా ఏం చెప్పాను నేను, ఒక హైడ్రోజన్ తీసేసి ఆ గ్రూప్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయమని చెప్పాను వితౌట్ రైటింగ్ మెకానిజం డైరెక్ట్లీ. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోజన్ SI గ్రూప్ రీప్లేస్ ఉంది. అచ్చా, వాళ్ళు ఏమన్నారంటే ఈ పిరిడిన్ బేస్ యూజ్ చేయమంటున్నారు. ఎందుకంటే రిమూవల్ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్ రిమూవ్ చేయాలంటే మనకి స్ట్రాంగ్ బేస్ కావాలి. కాబట్టి స్ట్రాంగ్ బేస్ ఏం తీసుకుంటారు, అక్కడ పిరిడిన్ తీసుకోమని చెప్తున్నారు. చూడండి, స్ట్రాంగ్ బేస్ ఏం తీసుకోమంటున్నారు, పిరిడిన్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు. లైక్ పిరిడిన్ అంటే ఎనిలిన్ కన్నా ఎక్కువ బేసిక్ స్ట్రెంత్ ఉంది, పిరిడిన్ తీసుకోమంటున్నారు. సో దట్ విచ్ రిమూవ్స్ HCl ఈజీగా రిమూవ్ చేయాలంటే స్ట్రాంగ్ బేస్ తీసుకోమంటున్నారు, పిరిడిన్. రైట్. In case of aniline also same manner. In case of aniline also same method. Like the secondary amine also same है. There is no exception है secondary amine also. फिर देखो aniline है. Aniline. अच्छा here is a problem aniline के लिए. Here is a problem. Acetic anhydride हो गया. अच्छा here also we can do instead of one hydrogen we can substitute under acetic acid. Previous example में acid is removed है. This example में acetic acid is removed. Without writing mechanism, simply what you do, you have to remove one acetic acid है. अच्छा one acetic acid you have to remove. Like ये वाला ये eliminate करो. Acetic acid है. अच्छा instead of hydrogen C double bond वो CH3 replace करो. Direct equation. But there byproduct to HCl here byproduct to acetic acid. Whether acetic chloride also add करो, acetic anhydride also add करो, the same equation will take place. देखो same equation will take place. Instead of hydrogen, either you can replace SI group, either acetic chloride కావచ్చు, acetic anhydride కావచ్చు, ఏదైనా కావచ్చు. So acylation reactions, like benzylation reaction also same manner. अच्छा benzylation, addition of benzoyl chloride, same है. You have to remove HCl, you use pyridine है. You remove sulfuric acid, you use sulfuric acid also. So benzoyl chloride है. Simple funda. Instead of hydrogen, you can replace it. You can replace that group है. Benzoyl group है, you can replace it. You can replace it this group है. अच्छा HCl remove है. ये pyridine is used है. Base है. Carbolamine reaction. अच्छा mechanism I am not telling you here because mechanism not given in NCERT textbook. But carbolamine में intermediate compound is carbenes are formed. Note करो. Because only two equation में carbenes are intermediate in 11th and complete 12th standard है. अच्छा कार्बोलामाइन में इंटरमीडिएट इज नथिंग बट कार्बीन्स है. अच्छा ओनली राइमेंटिमिन रिएक्शन एंड कार्बोलामाइन रिएक्शन इज इंटरमीडिएट कंपाउंड इज कार्बीन्स ओनली. Those in both equations only carbenes remaining where nowhere is given carbenes are intermediate in complete 11th and 12th. Only one carbolamine reaction. Carbolamine reaction is useful only identification of primary amine only. Aliphatic and aromatic primary amine. This point also noted. Aliphatic and aromatic primary amine. Secondary tertiary के लिए this equation not valid है. Only primary amines. A foul spell compound, isocyanate compound है. దీన్ని కార్బోలామైన్ టెస్ట్ అంటాం, ఐసోసైనేట్ టెస్ట్ కూడా అంటాం, ఫినైల్ ఐసోసైనేట్ టెస్ట్ అంటాం. ప్రాక్టికల్ కెమిస్ట్రీ కూడా యూజ్ చేసి ఉంటారు కొంతమంది ల్యాబ్ లో. అచ్చా whenever this reagent is given alpha elimination है, this reagent is given alpha elimination है. చెప్పాను మీకు ఎలిమినేషన్ రియాక్షన్ లో ఆల్ఫా ఎలిమినేషన్ లో చెప్పాను. కార్బీన్స్ ఆర్ ఫార్మ్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ కాంపౌండ్స్. రైమెంటిమిన్ రియాక్షన్ కూడా కామన్ రియేజెంట్. రైమెంటిమిన్ రియాక్షన్ కూడా కామన్ రియేజెంట్ కాబట్టి కార్బీన్స్ ఆర్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ కాంపౌండ్స్ ఉంది. अच्छा isocyanate foul smell compound unpleasant and both aliphatic aromatic primary amines only, not applicable to secondary tertiary amines only, right? अच्छा nitrous acid already చెప్పుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ aliphatic amines వేరు, aromatic amines అంటే very important. Diazonium salts form అవుతుంది. This is for aliphatic amines unstable కాబట్టి ఎమైన్ ఈజీగా నైట్రిక్ గ్యాస్ ఇచ్చేస్తుంది. ఆల్కహాల్ మన మెకానిజం చెప్పుకున్నాం చూడండి. ROH N2+H2 అంటాం. HNO2 ఎలా రాయమని చెప్పాం ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ రిమైండ్. HNO2 ఎలా రాయమని చెప్పాం అంటే ఇవ్వండి, OH NO రాస్తే ROH ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. అన్స్టేబుల్ కాబట్టి ఈజీగా డికంపోజ్ అయిపోతుంది. కార్బోకేటైన్ ఫామ్ అయ్యి వాటర్ తర్వాత వాటర్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఇది వాటర్ తో మన ఈక్వేషన్ చెప్పు. కార్బోకేటైన్ ఇది లివింగ్ గ్రూప్ కదా, అప్పుడు ఇది లివింగ్ గ్రూప్ కదా, కార్బోకేటైన్ కదా, కార్బోకేటైన్ కి వాటర్ యాడ్ చేస్తాం. అదే మెకానిజం చెప్పుకున్నాము. ఇది ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ एलिफेटिक है. अच्छा एरोमेटिक के लिए वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज दिस इज आल्सो देयर इन आवर सिलेबस. इन केस ऑफ एरोमेटिक प्राइमरी एमाइन्स है डाइजोनियम साल्ट्स आर फॉर्म. aniline the same reagent HNO2 గాని in the presence of HCl, but here 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. This one is 0 to 5 in above 10 అయితే ఫినోల్ వస్తుంది. మనకి 0 to 5 తీసుకోవాలి. 0 to 5 అయితే మనకి ఏం వస్తుందంటే డైజోనియం సాల్ట్స్ వస్తుంది. ఇది స్టేబుల్ కాంపౌండ్ కాబట్టి ఇది అన్స్టేబుల్, ఇది డికంపోజ్ కాదు, డైజోనియం సాల్ట్స్ వస్తుంది. మనకి డైఅజోటైజేషన్ అంటాం దీన్ని. The process is conversion of aniline to diazonium salts, diazotization అంటాం. aromatic amines అయితే diazonium salts వస్తాయి, aliphatic amine అయితే ఆల్కహాల్ వస్తాయి. డిఫరెన్స్ చూసుకోండి. aliphatic amines అయితే ఆల్కహాల్, aromatic amine అయితే diazonium salts వస్తుంది. రైట్. Achha, this how much of N2 is liberated? We can estimate the amount of the nitrogen present in this compound now. Proportional only. We have to check. We can balance the equation. We have to estimate the amount of this amino acid, that amino acids and proteins one based on this quantitative evaluation of nitrogen used. चलो next. अच्छा देखो एनिलीन है सर, diazonium salts है. Diazotization अंटा माइनस. Syllabus ला कोडुंदी benzene diazonium chloride. Preparation method. One of the preparation method only this. Benzene diazonium chloride. Diazonium chloride. But aliphatic amine is alcohol వస్తుంది. అచ్చా ఇక్కడ కూడా వస్తుంది ఆల్కహాల్ వస్తుంది. టెంపరేచర్ మనం if the temperature is maintaining 10 degrees. అచ్చా 10 degrees అంటే 283 కెల్విన్. అచ్చా ఏ కొంచెం టెంపరేచర్ మనం దీన్ని రైట్ చేసాం అనుకోండి, మీకు ఏమొస్తుందంటే ఫినోల్ వస్తుంది. కంపారిజన్ देखो temperature difference. If you change the temperature then product formed is also different. We can get phenol there. अच्छा preparation of phenol हो गया, preparation of benzene diazonium chloride also हो गया. Right? चलो. Secondary tertiary amines react with nitrous acid in different manner. But primary amine के लिए NCERT what is given that we discussed. Secondary amine के लिए different है. Nitroso compound, oily substance will be formed. Tertiary amine oxides are formed. But the syllabus में primary amines में aliphatic and aromatic specially emphasized, so we can study this also. దీన్ని ఇన్స్బర్గ్స్ రియేజెంట్ అంటాం, గుర్తుందా? ఇన్స్బర్గ్స్ రియేజెంట్ అంటాం. ఇన్స్బర్గ్స్ రియేజెంట్ అంటే ప్రైమరీ ఎమిన్స్ లో రియాక్షన్ జరుగుతుంది, ఫాలోడ్ బై NaOH. సెకండరీ ఎమిన్స్ రియాక్ట్ జరుగుతుంది బట్ నాట్ ఫాలోడ్ బై NaOH. టెరిషియరీ ఎమిన్స్ రియాక్షన్ జరుగుతుంది. చూద్దాం. ఇంతకుముందు మనం ఎస్టేట్ క్లోరైడ్ బెంజైల్ క్లోరైడ్ చేసినట్టే చేద్దాం. There is no this. अच्छा so benzene sulfonyl chloride is nothing but Innsbruck's reagent anta. Innsbruck's reagent anta. अच्छा this is called Innsbruck's reagent. This is called Innsbruck's reagent anta. Benzene sulfonyl chloride is called Innsbruck's reagent anta. अच्छा ये చెప్పాను మీన్స్ వెరీ సింపుల్ ఫండా. సింపుల్ ఫండా ఏం చెప్పాను? अच्छा ఇక్కడ హైడ్రోజన్ తీసేసి HCl బయటికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. హైడ్రోజన్ ప్లేస్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేయాలి. अच्छा సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఎస్టిక్ హైడ్రోజన్ ఉంది కదా, ద హైడ్రోజన్ విచ్ ఆర్ అటాచ్డ్ టు మోర్ ఈఎన్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఎస్టిక్ హైడ్రోజన్. ఇది ఎస్టిక్ హైడ్రోజన్ ఉంది కదా, సరే. अच्छा ఇక్కడ ఎస్టిక్ హైడ్రోజన్ ఉంది కదా, కాబట్టి మనం బేస్ యాడ్ చేస్తే బేస్ విచ్ కెన్ అబ్సర్బ్ ది ప్రోటాన్. అంటే ప్రైమరీ ఎమిన్ అయితే రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఏ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్? ఇన్స్బర్గ్స్ రియేజెంట్ ఫాలోడ్ బై NaOH రియాక్షన్. అదే సెకండరీ ఎమిన్ అయితే NaOH రియాక్షన్ ఉండదు. దెన్ NaOH యాడ్ చేస్తా ఉంటాం. స్ట్రాంగ్లీ ఎసిడిక్ కదా, ఎసిడిక్ కాబట్టి ప్రోటాన్ రిమూవ్ చేయాలంటే మనం ఏం యాడ్ చేయాలి? ఆల్కలీ యాడ్ చేయాలి. देखो ఏ ఆల్కలీ NaOH కానీ KOH కానీ యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు ప్రైమరీ ఎమిన్ అయితే. సెకండరీ ఎమిన్ NaOH యాడ్ చేయడానికి ఏముండదు అక్కడ. ఇక్కడ ఇంకో R ఉంటుంది కదా, ఇక్కడ ఇంకో R ఉన్నప్పుడు సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏం జరగదు, మరి ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ మాత్రం జరుగుతుంది. చూడండి ఇది సెకండరీ ఎమిన్ కదా. సెకండరీ ఎమిన్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఓకే, ఈ రెండు బయటకు వెళ్ళిపోతాయి మనకి. ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఓకే కదా. ఎస్టిక్ హైడ్రోజన్ లేదు, ఎస్టిక్ హైడ్రోజన్ లేదు. NaOH తో నో రియాక్షన్. బేస్ తీసుకుంటే నో రియాక్షన్. అంటే టెరిషియరీ ఎమిన్ ఈ రియాక్షన్ కూడా జరగదు. టెరిషియరీ ఎమిన్ ఇక్కడ ఇంకో R ఉంది అనుకోండి, HCl బయటకు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. Distribution primary, secondary, tertiary amine and Innsbruck's reagent is best example. Because NCERT given this is Innsbruck's reagent the applications. So now so many applications are there, but I discussed only what is given NCERT. That's it. Now this is not the right time to discuss the complete organic chemistry, but what is given NCERT I am going to discuss. अच्छा Innsbruck's reagent. अच्छा you remember what is Innsbruck's? This is benzene sulfonyl chloride. अच्छा if you want to write the formula benzene sulfonyl chloride, very simple funda you can write C6H5SO2Cl. Hinsburg's reagent, C6H5SO2Cl, which is used for distinguishing primary, secondary, tertiary amines. Right? Among the following, the most basic compound. Most basic ante plus M undali. Para nitro ante minus M undi. Plus M undali. अच्छा बेंजेल एमा एसिटोनिलाइड अच्छा देखो एसिटोनिलाइड के लिए ये वाला ఇది కూడా ప్లస్ ఎం ఎఫెక్ట్ ఏనో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో ప్లస్ ఎం ఎఫెక్ట్ సరే This is also plus M effect, no doubt. Plus M effect, you know. Aniline. अच्छा, aniline తీసుకుంటే మీకు there is no plus M minus M. अच्छा, ఇక్కడ బెంజోలమైన్ తీసుకుంటే నేను బెంజోలమైన్ తీసుకుంటే अच्छा ये nitrogens are not involved in delocalization, but यहाँ देखो this is possibility देना which are involved in delocalization. Delocalization involve होते less basic. अगर involve कॉलेज का सर delocalization involve कॉलेज ready to donate a pair of electrons. This is more basic. Carbon element test is used for primary element, aliphatic गानी aromatic गानी primary elements. प्राइमरी ऑर्डर ऑफ बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ है ऑर्डर ऑफ बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ आप देख लीजिए ऑर्डर ऑफ बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ कैसा है ये देखो ये सेकेंडरी एमीन है ये सॉरी ये प्राइमरी एमीन है देखो ये एनिलीन है एरोमेटिक है ये प्राइमरी एमीन है ये सेकेंडरी एमीन है एमोनिया अच्छा सेकेंडरी में ज्यादा होना चाहिए सेकेंडरी में ज्यादा होना चाहिए एनिलीन सेकेंडरी में अच्छा एनिलीन लीस्ट होना चाहिए फर्स्ट ऑप्शन 3 ना ओके 3 है सर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन वेरी सिंपल the order of basicity of amines in gaseous state tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary gaseous state में different tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary gas